Hello, my fam. Today, we're going to do something that we haven't done in many, many, many months that I am feeling a calling to.
I love you guys.
Oh,
I love you.
I love you. We are going to do something majestic in nature. We are going to go to Topanga State Park and go to the Santa Ynez Waterfalls.
What is that?
We're going to go hiking to a breathtaking view.
Okay.
Yeah.
Agua.
Yes, but you're not getting in the water. We're going to walk there, soak it all in spiritually, and enjoy it without getting wet. You can't get wet.
Wow.
You don't mind hiking?
I want to get in
It's
the
fun.
water. Okay.
Yeah, high fives. Mwah. I've never been to Topanga State Park. I don't think. I'm pretty sure. I've been to Topanga before.
It's a park.
It's a state park, which means it's huge. And I looked
We can play in it.
I did my research. I looked up the trail that we're gonna go
I
on.
parked over there. Que no hay water over there.
There's a waterfall.
I have parked. I have over there.
I looked online, and the track, the hike, is only 0.6 miles. So it's not long to get from the car.
6 miles.
0.6, less than 1 mile, like half a mile. So it's not going to be long from our car to there. So if any of you are Los Angeles locals and you've not been before, check us out there and then check it out on your own, okay?
Yay.
I'm wearing a hat. And of course, Mia wanted to wear a hat. His hat is unique.
Hi, boy.
We're all sun safe
I'm matching with that.
and ready to party. Nature party. And when I get back from our hike, my True 10, my muscle relief gels, I'll use the cooling one, is gonna come in so handy. And then I'll take my gummy as well. Get these, mytrue10.com CBD gummies and muscle relief gels that really work. And a reminder, I'm also available for personalized video greetings at cameo.com/the Perez Hilton. Oh, she's in the bathroom. All right, we'll see you later. All right, I am so excited. You know why?
Why?
Because I've been wanting to take you guys to a waterfall for the longest time, and I've had difficulties. So we're going to see a waterfall, and we're going to do something active, which is good for your bodies and your brains. Dad works out every day, right? It's important to be healthy and put in the work. All right, let's go. Wow, we are in a fancy neighborhood here. All right, so this is the Santa Ynez Falls, and over here, so we turned left on Sunset, then left on Palisades Drive, then left on Vereda de la Montura, and over here is a gated community. I'm guessing this is somewhere between Pacific Palisades and Calabasas. So we're like in the middle between Pacific Palisades and Calabasas. I've never been here. A gated community, fancy schmancy. And like I said, Topanga State Park, Santa Ynez Canyon Trail. 2.1 miles. That's not what it said online. All right, kids, you ready?
Yeah.
Mia is gonna be our leader, the guide for our trek to the waterfall. She found a big stick.
I want to do it.
Do you know the expression, speak softly but carry a big stick? Well, Mia doesn't speak softly, but...
I
No, you don't. I love that I've never been here before.
do. Yay! We're standing on it.
Wow, I love this.
Is there animals?
There's animals all over. We are in a forest.
Let's go.
Why, are you afraid?
Yeah. Let's go.
Well, you've got a stick, so use it to protect us.
That's a phantom scorpion.
Shh. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? Shh. It's a snake. It's a snake.
Or a scorpion. Scorpion. I look you, Daddy. Scorpions are also
I'm only kidding. Look, be careful, kids. Don't touch the leaves.
Potion oak.
Poison oak. Okay? So don't touch the leaves. Don't touch the leaves. Oh, wow, look at this. We're on sand now.
I hate mosquitoes.
It's a different terrain. Straight up sand. Do you know what that means? It means that this is probably usually submerged underneath water.
Yeah. It was usually rock.
We're experiencing a drought here in California. I'm having deja vu because
I feel the water with it.
we can't seem to find the waterfall,
Come over, guys.
but we are going to find it. We are going to find it. We're all just following Mia, but I don't think she knows where she's going. Shh, wait. Do you hear the waterfall?
It's this way.
I hope we're going the right way. All right, there's good news and bad news.
It's 1 hour.
The good news is we just saw some people and we asked them if we were heading in the right direction, and they said yes. The bad news, the website was wrong, and it was the LA County website that I checked. They said that we're like 30 minutes away from the waterfall. So it's a bit of a trek. But I've got water. No, I don't want water. Gatorade, thank you. I've got water and snacks for the kids, so we're good. What do you notice?
Water.
There's no poop. It's just wet. So what do you think that means?
The waterfall. The waterfall is like 20 minutes or 29.
I don't know, but it's
28.
close if we're getting near water. Exciting. Yes, it went from dry sand to wet sand. I've got a stick too now. Everybody's got a walking stick.
It's not actually a walking stick. It was a magic stick.
Oh, it's a magic stick. Okay. We just took a pee break. Well, I'm actually still taking it. So we just spoke to more hikers.
Okay, and we need to climb a rock.
Wait, no. There's 2 different waterfalls. There's like a baby waterfall and then a bigger waterfall that you have to climb a rope on a rock to get to. I don't know. We'll see. That sounds a little scary.
Fun.
Fun?
Yeah. Scary.
Fun, scary? Okay. All right.
I found it.
All right. Yay, we're close.
Ay. Mira, eso es peligroso. Sister. Tómame la foto.
All right, hold on. There's a lot of gnats here. GNATS. Is that because there's dead animals? Do gnats happen when there are dead animals?
Okay, what?
No, maybe it's the water. Maybe the gnats are like those bugs.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe the gnats are attracted to the water. Yes. Oh, those are bees. Ah!
Mama. I'm scared of bees.
Mario, what did you just say?
I love doing it's very fun.
I love that. I remember just a year ago, you did not like hiking. Now you do?
I love hiking. But that was because I ran to that mountain.
No, even when we were in Las Vegas and we went to Red Rock, you did not like that.
Yeah, I hate mountains. I haven't like staying rolling. They're better.
One of the good things about this hike is that it's pretty moderate. We don't have to do a lot of climbing up.
We did the last.
Yes, but thus far it's just steady, smooth walk.
Yeah, and it's also like a secret. Like almost no one's here.
Yes, it's like a hidden gem of Los Angeles and Malibu and all the areas. And look at this.
Bamboo.
Bamboo, different type of greenery here. Bamboo grows where there is a lot of water, I think.
Yeah. It's actually easy to climb this.
Yeah?
Yeah. You can climb this. 1, 2, 3.
This path is a little rocky. We're still not there yet. Jesus. All right.
Level 1. Uh-oh.
We got to the first waterfall.
Level 1. I'm ready to go now.
Hold on. Let's take a water break. It's important to stay hydrated.
You mean a Gatorade? I did it. Wait, like I'm gonna run. Dang! OMG!
What?
Another water. Another waterfall.
Let's see. Here we go. This is an adventure.
Yeah, very cool adventure. Hey, we can be in a program. I can be in a program. Me too. Yeah, we have our tour. That is fun.
So this is...
Look the road.
Hold on. I don't know if you guys are going to go up there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go up there. Me too.
Look at that.
The road. The road.
Look at the waterfall. It's a baby waterfall. It's pretty though.
My sister wants to try to go up here. Yeah. That's fun.
Wait, no.
I can do it. I can do it.
Let me go first and see what's up there.
Okay, run to the biggest. Yeah.
Here we go. All right, I'm telling Mario not to do it because I tried and I couldn't.
But I can.
This is dangerous. How are you gonna get down? How are you gonna get?
Hey, I want to try. How do you get down?
I don't even know if there's another waterfall up there. It may just be rocks.
I want to try.
I-
That is my brother. That is my brother. See, Daddy? Oh.
Oh yeah, he's doing it so well.
Don't fall off. Dad, help. No.
I'm not helping you.
Okay, I'm going down. Okay. I'm going. That's scary.
Oh, okay, then do it.
Try after Mia.
Oh, okay.
Mia can do it. If Mia can do it.
I couldn't do it, and I'm an adult.
And who cares? I can do it.
Mia, that's dangerous. I'm not gonna help you down
Why?
because I'm telling you not to do it.
I don't know. I want to do it. My turn. Saliva hand.
Oh God, that's not gonna help.
It is gonna help. It helped last time.
Good job, Mia. You're not doing it.
You only made it to that one. Wait a second. You already started it. You made it to the same one as me. And I made it to the second.
I don't think there's a waterfall up there.
is.
Wow, bravo, Mia. Excellent job.
Go. I have a plan. A new plan. Okay, Mario, you can try it. Okay.
Oh, you gave up, Mia?
No. After Mario, it's easy to go down. Go, Marito! Go, Marito! Yeah.
You're so not even close.
You were this hard.
Yeah, I couldn't do it. I'm telling you, it's very hard.
Go down. If I do it, I'm gonna be the new king of the house.
All right.
Yeah, if I do it with Mario, I will be the queen of the house. Oh my God! Mario, you can do it.
We don't have the right shoes for this.
I do.
Okay, do it.
No. Get some water. I will pass you some too.
What?
I know how good it is. My hands are burning.
Oh, maybe you should just stop.
Stop, Mike. Stop, Mike. Put him down. I'm going to go. Not yet, not yet. I'm gonna. Mike, go down. Okay, you're falling down. You're absolutely mega falling down. It's too big for you. Oh my God.
Wow. Wow. You did not do it. Yes, you did. I didn't even try. When I realized how hard it was, I stopped. No, Maite hasn't gone yet. Maite has not got Mia. No.
Okay, Maite, you can go.
She's not gonna do it either.
I am.
Oh my God, this is crazy.
I am not gonna do nothing. I did it.
Wow.
Maite,
Mia, let her try. Stop, Mia, stop.
I will get some water more. Ew. Oh my God. I have seen her guys. I have seen her.
Wow. Mia, let her go.
She wants to go down.
She can figure it out.
Mario, move. I'm going to go.
All right, that one last chance each. That's it. If you don't do it this next chance, that's it. No more.
Nope. I'm
Yes.
I'm gonna stay here until I got it. Mia.
Isn't that scary up there, Mia? It was a little too real. She didn't like the fake rock climbing we did in San Diego, but she likes the real thing.
She was so close.
You're not going to be able to reach that high, Mario.
Mario, try it. I almost made it. You can almost made it. Okay, my turn. You can do it like this too. Mario, fuck your butt. Oh my gosh. That looks like poo. Here. I don't. My turn. It's my turn. That's Mario. Mario, you can fall down on my G. Not even higher. Stop. This is risky.
Wow, Mario. Excellent job.
My turn. No. My turn. Hi. My turn. Déjame tratar una. No, ya.
All right, Maite's last turn.
No, my
No, Mia, you already went twice.
Dad, you tried to do it.
I'm not trying to do it.
Yeah, you tried to.
I don't want to do it. I'm not going to do it.
Try
No, it's too hard.
Why?
Do it, Mia. Go
I
ahead.
can do it. I'm Mario, help.
You gave up?
Alright. Grandma's going to tell me if you know, look at it.
Yeah, she is. All right. You giving up?
No.
All right, go.
Go down. I want to go down.
Okay, go down.
Mia.
Mia's pretty close. You're close, Mia. Don't give up now. You're close. You're close.
I'm going to go down. Mia.
Oh, you're hurting yourself?
Yeah. Dad, you try.
What happened? Let me see. What happened?
Oh my God. She's like, yeah. I don't want to go. If I make it up there, I'm gonna sleep late.
There's no way you're gonna make it up there.
There is a way.
None.
There is a way.
Bravo, Maite Amor.
Come on, Maite. I know one.
She doesn't want to do it, she said.
Mario, you can do it. And when you get up there, you can help me, yeah?
You got it. You got it.
Dad, you will not do it, you said.
I don't want to do it.
You will not do it, Dad.
All right, this is it. No more after this.
No, there is.
No.
Mario,
This is
you
your
can
last
do it.
time.
No, you can do it. It's my turn. Mario's getting 4 chances now, and me only 3.
All right, you already hurt yourself. You're not going again.
Why?
Because you hurt yourself.
Me. It's a big scratch, Michael. No, I can't do it.
You can't do it?
No.
Then go down. All right, this was fun.
You try to, Dad.
I'm not going to do it. I'm smart.
Try to one last time, Dad.
No.
Yeah, try.
No.
Dad.
So yeah, I tried again. No success. My shoes are too old. I have no traction, barely, or not much underneath them.
I was winning you. I was getting the last one, and then I slipped.
And then Maite started crying because I wouldn't let her do it again. So anyways, this was a lot of fun.
With better shoes.
Better shoes, yes. Look how we're going home.
What?
Covered in filth. Turn around.
Funny.
Oh my goodness.
Turn around. That was mine.
Oh my goodness. All right, we're trying to get back to our car now and we're so lost. Hiking is dangerous. Shoot. Thank God it's early. They definitely need better signage here. It's not a hard hike, but
Ow.
it's confusing. I'm trying to remain calm, but I'm a little nervous that we're so lost.
Head east on Santa Ynez Canyon Trail toward Santa Ynez Waterfall Trail.
Okay. I've got the GPS on, but my son is leading the way. Oh my God, this is crazy. Dear Lord, please let my son be some kind of spiritual path guide. Because he says he knows the way out. And I have like 0 reception here now. What were you saying?
Dad, at the beginning when we were going back to home.
The mistake we made is we were following people.
No.
We were following those people, those
Yeah.
students,
Yeah.
the college
And
students.
Yeah, and it was also because you went Because we were going this straight way, but there was also this curved way at the beginning. At the beginning, exactly when we were leaving, instead of going the straight way, we went this way and to this place. So then I tried to come back to where we were going and then go over here to over here.
All right, I hope you're right.
I am right.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, I did. Follow the stream. Okay, we just saw people. Thank God. Oh, I saved the day. No, I did. You were sending us the wrong way, Mario. You were. But we both saved the day.
Me too.
It was a team. I'm so proud of us. Teamwork. And the GPS. Thank God. I have like, it goes between no reception to like barely.
Turn right.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I think this was a good lesson, my son.
Yeah.
A lesson in
Surviving.
teamwork. Teamwork. And surviving. Thank God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Like I was panicking.
Me too.
You were?
Yeah.
Why were you panicking?
Let's shower.
I was panicking. We'd have to call 911.
Me too. Yeah, me too.
Oh. I'm still in shock, trying to process what just happened.
Me too. I can tell you everything.
Oh my God. I wish I was exaggerating, but we were very lost. We were lost. We were so lost here in the middle of the mountains. They need to put better signs up here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's basically like a jungle explorer. Yeah.
Teamwork!
Teamwork.
Yes. An important lesson. Next time we go hiking someplace new, even if it's presumably easy, I have to text somebody where we're going, just in case. Gotta text them where we're going. Freedom! Oh, thank God. I have never been this happy to see my car. And for the air, let's go to see Grandma and tell her what happened.
Look at Ynez. Grandma's gonna be so mad. I'm actually winning. See? Grandma's gonna be so mad.
A pit stop at McDonald's because after what we went through, the kids need a Happy Meal.
We got lost in the mountains.
¿Quién se perdió?
That's what it was.
¿Cómo todos?
We got lost hiking.
Because there wasn't any sign. And we almost called 911.
Y no encontraban.
I got it on my GPS eventually, but it was really hard to get reception there because we're in the mountains.
¿Y por qué se perdieron?
I don't know. It was not very well.
And it was done.
It was not very well.
And because
We were following some people who they were going to some place called Eagle Rock or something, Eagle or Rock or whatever. Anyways, they were not, anyways, it was really scary.
Yeah.
Next time I go hiking with the kids somewhere, I have to let you know where we're going ahead of time. Text you where we're going. And if we're not back in a few hours, you have to call 911. I'm not even joking.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Don't go joking, please. Don't
Hiking.
go hiking anymore. It's dangerous, my.
But what else did you do?
We also, I was the one who.
Why are you covered in dirt?
Because we were climbing the rope.
What?
We were climbing the rope.
Climbing a rock.
A rope. Yeah, and a rock. The rock with a rope.
And also, me and I were who got us on
Yeah.
We will.
We're all lost. All right, I'm gonna go pass out now. He was just telling Grandma that he was scared.
Yeah.
It was scary.
Yeah.
Poor baby.
Thank God for coffee and CBD. They work very well together. An upper and a downer. Kidding. That's a joke, okay? I'm not making any claims. Thank you for watching. Thank God, thank the universe, thank luck, thank us that we made it out okay. And that was an adventure. We will never forget that. So if you watched until the end, a reminder, hit the like button, okay? Share this video. Watch my podcast on my @Perez Hilton YouTube channel so you don't miss a thing. Wait, no, I got that. I'm so tired. Watch my podcast on my @Perez Hilton YouTube. Turn on the notifications here so you don't miss a thing there too. And if you watched until the end, say amen in the comment section down below, not in the chat box. Oh, so sorry. Thank you to anybody that may have super chatted me during the premiere or that will be inspired to super thanks me afterwards. Your support of this channel means so much because I don't make that much from it. But it's nice that people enjoy it. I enjoy making these videos and documenting our lives for you and for us for the future. So amen down below. Thank you for being a VIP member of my fam. You ender. I love you. Amen. Okay, I'm back because I just texted my sister what happened and I even sent her a link to where we went. And she said, right there on the website under difficulty level, it said difficult. I didn't see that. Wait, I've got to show you this. I've got to show you this. It's too funny. Hold on. So this is where we were. Santa Ynez Waterfall Trail. Difficult. I literally, my eyes and brain did not compute that when I saw that earlier because it looks different on the phone. Let me take a photo. Let me take a screen grab of it and show you how it looks on the phone. All right, so this is what it looks like on the phone, right? It's not horizontal, but it's vertical. So I was just interested in this, which is wrong, by the way. It was like 2 miles each way, not 0.6. And I didn't even think of scrolling further down. Actually, I did scroll further down because wait, where were the directions? I don't know. My brain just did not see that it said difficult. Big lesson learned. Do not go hiking anywhere it says difficult. Oops. Bye.